Good afternoon. Today I am going to talk about reproduction in flowering plant. This is the first chapter of class 12. Okay? And if you want to study reproduction in flowering plant, first of all, what you need to understand the various reproductive part of a flowering plant. What are the various reproductive part? We know that flower has four holes: calyx, corolla, endoecium, gynoecium. In these, endoecium and gynoecium are the reproductive part of flowering plants. If we talk about the endoecium, or which is another called stamen, and the male part of the flower, and gynoecium, which is female part of the flower, which is also called pistils. If you go into detailed structure of male and female part of the flowering plant, then first of all you have to know the stamen part and pistil part in details. So male part is called stamen, which contain anther and filament. Anther contain pollen grain. Okay, anther contain pollen grain. It is a bilobe structure. Okay, and two theca are present. Okay, two theca are present. It's a bilobe structure. If we cut transversely, then you see there are four parts inside. This all four part called pollen sacs and mycosporangium. Okay, now if we talk about the female part or pistil part, there we see stigma, style and ovary. Stigma is a little sticky, where pollen grain which coming from anther and fall on the stigma. So pollination completed after that. So stigma is a landing part of anther. After that pollination process done. Then the style is it actually connecting point between stigma and ovary. You know, inside the ovary, the ovule are arranged in such a manner, and you can see ovule present inside the ovary, and this is connected with the thalamus part of the plant. Okay, these are the reproductive structure of plants, sexual plants. Sometimes we see that there are complete and incomplete flower. In a complete flower means there are some four holes are present: calyx, corolla, stamen and pistils. An incomplete flower, there are some part missing, maybe anther missing, same stamen missing, maybe pistil missing sometimes. Okay, so when everything is present, every part of the flower present, we can say it's a complete. If one is absent, then we can say it's incomplete flower. In this way, flower can be classified. Okay, these are the part of all the reproductive part of sexually reproducing flower. Okay, and then I come into details part about this. Okay,